Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Tech Savvy Engineer. Now clicking onto the settings menu, this will open a software update is available notification with later and update option. You can choose between two to go directly into the menu or go down to the menu with software update option. Now clicking on it, this will take you to the download and install update option. Now clicking on this option. This is the software update page with some details of the software update and two options to choose from, which is schedule update or install now option. Now clicking onto the install now option. Now the Android is updating. This is the version number with M325FXXU4BV F3/M325FODM4BV F3/M325FXXU4BV D9. The file size is 2194.88 MB and security patch level is of 1st April 2022. Now the Android update is downloading the update package. The processing of the update package is shown in percentage, while One UI 4.1 upgrade is the Android 12, which brings many features like color palettes, privacy, in which there is camera, microphone indicators, proximity location, clipboard protections, and permission info at a glance. There is Samsung keyboard, which is giving the quick access to GIF emojis and stickers. Now there is an animated emoji pairs, even more stickers, writing assistant. There is an home screen which new widgets design, easier widget selections. Now the Samsung logo comes out. Now the Samsung Galaxy with powered by Android logo comes out. Now the Android is starting the downloading process, which is shown in percentage. Now in the camera section, there is the lens icon which shows the magnification level, so you know how much you have zoomed in. In video section, there is the video where never misses out, the recording starts immediately after you tap in. Now there is photography mode, and also there is a portrait for pets. In gallery section, there is enhanced stories. There is a easier album, more controls over information. In photo and video editor, there is emojis and stickers. Video collages, never loses the original bold with your editing. Paste from one picture to another. Now in AR emojis, there is jazz up your profile, face stickers, dance the night away, and design your own clothes features. Now in sharing section, there are more customizations, easier navigation and photo sharing. In calendar section, you can schedule on the home screen, quick add events, more search options, share the others, and easier date and time selection, recovery deleted events. Now you can see that the settings have started with the optimization of apps, which is shown in percentage. In Samsung Internet feature, there is a search suggestion option. Now search from the home screen. Now start in secret mode. Device care option, there is a battery and security at a glance. Understand your phone's overall status, diagnostics, checks. Now in accessibility option, there is mouse gestures. Adjust your screen at once, eye comfort, customization, flash notification, and easier magnification. Now 100% optimization is completed. Now clicking onto the settings menu again. Now scrolling down to the system update option. Now clicking on it. Now clicking onto the download and install option. Now it shows that the software update is successful. Now clicking on OK. Thank you for watching the video.